Welcome to Campfire Meals. Today is Tuesday's tip. We're going to make some Pico de Gallo. I want to give a shout out to some friends of ours. Who might they be? Thank you. What's page? That would be Steve-O Heinrichs, our friend from YouTube, GU9126. I love the video with the car. Glad you didn't drown. And then our production team found Nancy at the local grocery store, and I really appreciate the great ideas. So for Pico de Gallo, we're gonna have some very fresh cilantro. Make sure you taste the leaf first. We got a little yellow onion. We're gonna put some fresh, ripe tomatoes in there, some Serrano chili and lime juice, and a touch of kosher salt. This is just a rough chop because it's a salsa cruda anyway, so let's go to town. We're gonna go like this. I think we've done this in a tip before, I believe. I don't need a whole lot of it, so we're gonna go through here. I like a bunch of big chunks of onion in there. Go like so. Let's get a nice Serrano. It's gonna get you some heat. Just take it off the side. Try to get most of the seeds out, and you just leave that right in the middle. Not too small. Not too small. I'm getting some seeds in there because I'm eating this too, you know. Yeah, that over there. Yeah, take a little bit of this. I think we're looking good on that size. I don't need that. Some people will de-stem it for this purpose. Don't bother. Get a nice rough chop right in there. Personally, I like to kind of squeeze out some of the seeds and the juice. Take that out right there. See, like so. Again. We're going to use this all the time. It's quick and easy. Gives you an opportunity to buy some veggies at the local farmer's market. And then I've got one more thing. If your lime isn't ripe, roll it. Unless you've got a big RV with a really nice microwave, that works also. I like to just give it a little cut. Not a whole lot, because you've got some acidity in that tomato. And then we're going to take sea salt. I like quite a bit. This is more of a seasoning than it is a dish. We call this a nice rough condiment. And that's right. There you go. Should I talk with my mouth full? I don't think so. That's our Pico de Gallo. We just made some great Pico de Gallo. It's gonna save my butt this Thursday when I get some unexpected guests. Don't miss it. It's getting hungry out here, and I'll see you at the campfire.